Okay, let's see elif with pass keyword. Here elif is another version of if else condition. Student score equal to some input of enter a number. Here student score greater than or equal to 90. It is 90 or greater than or equal to, it gives A grade. Otherwise it is greater than or equal to 80, it gives B grade. So greater than or equal to 70, it gives C grade. Greater than or equal to 60, it gives D grade. Otherwise anything it can give E grade. Why we can use here pass? Here pass is a placeholder. Okay, let's run. Sum 99, it gives A grade without using of pass keyword. With using of pass keyword, sum 99, it give output whether it is pass or not, because it is a placeholder, it is used. That's it.